Do you think your weekends are clumsy and overwhelming? I used to get too tired to handle all laundries, dusting, organizing, cleaning. Cleaning becomes difficult when the area is not tidy. For example, if you have a shelf full of showpieces and decorative items, the cleaning may seem like a Herculean task. But if the surface and shelf are tidy enough, cleaning requires very less time. Today in this video, I shall share 2 simple tips to have a tidy home so that cleaning will become super easy. The first thing I will suggest is try not to keep many permanent items on the shelf. Though I have minimized quite a lot, but in this shelf I have accumulated many stuffs. So while cleaning, I need to remove each item and then clean it. So I am going to keep only those items which are close to my heart, like this little kitten. I love this kitten. I want to keep this. Now this little tortoise, I'm not very fond of it, but yeah, somehow I'm liking it. And this bird is collecting dust here. This is kind of whistle. My daughter used to play with it. But now she is not looking at it. So cleaning is quite easier now. Now left with this glass jar. I do like this jar, but I'm not able to use it properly. And this is the picture we have received as a gift on our first anniversary. So I need to keep that too. So let's clean the shelf and then return back those items which I thought to keep as a permanent item. So that frame, and the cute little kitten. That's it. The whistle, I'm going to donate this. Some kid may enjoy this, as my daughter did. I kept this basket always for donating items which are still in good condition. Like this bag, these are random items, maybe bag, some clothes. Now this little tortoise. I like this cute tortoise. But where to keep this? I need to keep it somewhere where it gets noticed and I can see it very easily. So I'm going to keep it like a paperweight here. So every time I will take out a pen and going to write something, I can enjoy this tiny piece of tortoise. Now the next tip is, whenever you need to keep many items together, then club it together and keep it inside a tray or basket. For example, I have many items here like medicines, mosquito repellers. So all this clubbed in a tray. But this one, like this candle, is my daughter's favorite. So I am going to keep this in her toy box. Now, as this comes under package, like everything together, I can just remove along with the tray or basket and then clean the area. So cleaning the shelf becomes very easy and very less time consuming. So this way, by keeping less permanent items and everything under a package, makes my life super simple and cleaning becomes much easier nowadays. I will come with many more this kind of weekend cleaning tips in consecutive videos. Stay tuned and subscribe my channel to make your life easier. Thank you.